Guten Tag, Klasse. This should be the lesson for Friday, April the 3rd, and we're going to talk about whether you like or don't like some of those clothes. We've talked about what you have on. Ich habe das T-shirt on. You talked about whether it fits. Es passt. Or es passt nicht. Es ist zu eng. Es ist zu lang. And so on. So today you're going to say whether you like it or not. There's two ways to say whether you like it. We're starting with the hard one, the one you don't know. Gefallen is literally to be pleasing to. It's weird. We don't say that. Sometimes we'll say, oh, that pleases me. But that's pretty rare. But that's not rare in German. So das gefällt mir means that pleases me. That's pleasing to me. But really it just means I like that. So you would say whatever it is, das Hemd, das Shirt, die Schuhe, whatever. And then you'd say gefällt, unless it's plural. And mir, because that's to me. It's pleasing to me. Okay. So if you look at the blue, you've got wie gefällt dir die Hose? How do the pants please you? And then you could answer die Hose gefällt mir, if you like them, or die Hose gefällt mir nicht. So really you're going to look at the answer more often. Die Hose gefällt mir. Das Hemd gefällt mir. Der Rock gefällt mir. And so on. So the clothing item, I'm looking in the orangish box, the clothing item is the subject, not the person who likes it, not the person it pleases. So that's why we have a T verb ending. Der Rock gefällt mir. Der Rock is one thing we're talking about, has a T ending. We're not saying I like, we're saying it is pleasing to me. So try to say a couple of things you like using gefällt mir. So pause the video here and have a couple of sentences. So hopefully now you've unpaused and you said something like, das Hemd gefällt mir. Der Pulli gefällt mir. Das Shirt gefällt mir. Something like that. Okay, how about these things? I would say, Miley's Hemd gefällt mir nicht. Das ist zu kurz. Justin's Hose gefällt mir nicht. Das ist zu groß. Kevin Hart's Jacke gefällt mir. Das ist gut. Pharrell's shorts gefallen mir nicht. Notice it's plural, so I changed it to gefallen. Die Shorts gefallen mir nicht. Sie sind zu kurz. Und die Stiefel, the boots, die Stiefel gefallen mir auch nicht. Sie sind zu eng. Katy Perry's Kleid gefällt mir. Das ist schön. Das passt. Und es ist schön. Okay. Wie findest du die Kleidung? Magst du das? So now we're going to talk about the other way to say like. You already know this. Ich mag. So, for example, Sam. Ich mag Sam's Jacke. Das ist schön. Das passt. Aber ich mag Sam's Shorts nicht. Sie sind nicht gut. And if you look at Chris, ich mag Chris's Rock. Das ist gut. Aber ich mag Chris's Bluse nicht. Das ist zu klein und zu eng. So that's how you say whether you like something. You can either use mögen, ich mag, magst du, mag, sie mag. That one you totally know. Or you can use gefallen. Sam's Shorts gefallen mir nicht. Nein. Chris's Bluse gefällt mir nicht. Nein. Okay, so this is about sales. Basically, the gist is, in America, we have sales all the time. In fact, they probably mark up their prices so they can have sales. But in Germany, that's not true. They tend to have seasonal sales. Although I have noticed when I've been there, I think they have more sales than that, but not as much as we do. So here it says that they have seasonal sales the end of summer or the end of winter are their two big sales. And sometimes they'll have other specials in the stores. And that is all for today. Now you'll have some other activities. Read your directions on Google Classroom. Tschüss.